Nightmare Factory film. Nightmare Factory is a 2011 documentary film directed by Donna Davies about KNB EFX Group, a special effects company. Premise: Donna Davies profiles KNB EFX Group, a special effects company. Interviews. Release: Nightmare Factory premiered on the Movie Network on October 27, 2011. EPIX aired it on American television on October 30, 2013. Reception: Drew Taylor of IndieWire rated it a letter grade of A and called it mostly a hoot, though he criticized the interviews with Tarantino and Rodriguez as probably coming from DVD extras. Brad McHarg of Dread Central rated it 4/5 stars and wrote that, although it is occasionally amateurish and jumbled, the documentary is insightful about the role of special effects in filmmaking. James Marsh of Screen Anarchy called it exhaustive to the point of being exhausting, comparing it to a very long DVD extra.